Hey everyone, welcome back to my game devlog that I'm creating using this cute cow character. So in this tutorial, I guess, well, it's not really a tutorial. In this devlog, I'm just equipping my late game sword and shield. So now my shield will start doing damage when enemies attack me. And I've been I haven't really been uploading for a while just because I've been finding textures to make a stylized game, and it's been a huge struggle for me. I've been really picky. I bought a ton of packs. I've tried out a ton of packs, and it is kind of hard to find stuff, but this stand, I just love how the stand looks. I got this tree model made, but the leaves don't move, so I have to take it to Blender and move it. And then I'm also using this stylized rock set. I'm using the stylized rock system by Studio Chloe, which gives it a very Link's Awakening vibe. And you can also change the colors of these and add materials to it, and it just looks very friendly. And I'm just basically using these rocks just to guide the players where to go. So this is also from the same set, and you can see that when the beach starts turning into a grassy area, it will have some algae on top. And then I also changed the stylized sand texture up here, and I also made the world a bit more bright yellow and glowy. I added some temporary water, but it's not waving against the sand just yet. So I'm going to get rid of that. And everything where I'm modeling right now, so this is the first beach area, I'm just putting a block. And then once that's done, I'll get rid of the block once that's done. And then I added some foliage. This is from the nature pack. Let me show that. So it's from this fantastic nature pack. I think I got this for like 20 bucks or something, but it has a lot of good assets. I don't use the rocks. The sky is really nice, but also the plants, the foliage is really fitting for a stylized look. I also have their village pack. I think that was a free for the month a while back. And now I'm just currently looking for some stylized houses. So this was last month's free of the month asset for this house. I tried a few other, but none of them are currently working for me. But one thing that I am really enjoying actually is using these dungeon assets. So currently I've just been playing around with making a singular dungeon room and also testing out using Dungeon Architect multiple rooms in this dungeon. So for example, if I just head over, attack these guys, I make these little skeleton warrior AIs using K's assets. Nice. But this one definitely has a lot of work because I don't want the dungeon to kind of be like open like this. I do want it to be more of a one room at a time scenario, and the camera angle will be higher up, more of a top down than this. But I do love how stylized these graphics are. And then I also got K's, and I also did subscribe to the Patreon because this work is amazing. It comes with characters and animations. So for example, these robots, and it also comes with this clown character, this knight. This one would be really fitting in the game that I'm working on. And yeah, this looks super sick. I was told to check out some Unity assets, and I really wanted to get this one because this environment looks really well for a top down. I was hoping that this grass would be a texture that I can just apply. And these trees look amazing. These are kind of the trees that I need in the game. But I just, unfortunately, this is for Unity only. I think this would do really well on Unreal just because it's hard to find stylized content like this. The creator said this is actually inspired by Animal Crossing and Link's Awakening. And I gave him a message asking if he would release this to Unreal Engine, but he replied saying not at the moment. But I know quite a few people from my Discord also asked for this because they wanted to purchase it too when I was showing it on stream. And yeah, not yet, but hopefully soon. And so I just actually had someone create me a grass texture. So you can see they did the normals to make it look a little 3D because I don't want actual grass foliage. The only foliage I really want are like plants like this and so on. And yeah, it's pretty time consuming. I think honestly, the really time consuming part is just finding assets that will match my game because I'm not an artist. I'm just the coder. But if I were to just add a nav mesh here and add my enemy, then I can just hit play and this guy will try to fight me. But I do need to set up a proper HP bar that's going to be fitting with my character. And yeah, thanks for watching Code Row. Like, subscribe, comment below. I'll update more on my devlog soon. This map development will take a while. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.